This is the new Custom Dynamics ProBeam Adaptive 2 LED headlamp. Today I'm going to install it for you, then show you some comparisons between this new ProBeam Adaptive 2 headlamp and the original ProBeam LED headlamp. Please check the Custom Dynamics website for fitment on your bike because there are several to choose from. The main ones are the 7-inch models for most pre- and post-2013 models. Coming soon, we'll also be offering a 5 3/4 ProBeam Adaptive 2 headlamp. Now the 7-inch headlamps for 2014 to current year comes included with an H4 touring wiring adapter. The 2013 and earlier models comes included with a pre-installed mounting ring. Since this is a 2017 Street Glide Special, I'll be installing this one with an H4 tour adapter. The ProBeam Adaptive 2 LED headlamps are a significant addition to the Custom Dynamics product line. The ProBeam line is already known as a quality lighting solution, but now the headlamps benefit from JW Speaker's proprietary adaptive technology. Adaptive technology turns the headlamp into a smart device, enabling the light to sense when the bike is leaning so it can redirect the beam to illuminate dark corners. The real-time redirection is achieved by calculating bank angles using proprietary technology and onboard sensors, automatically directing the light array up or down as the motorcycle leans while on both high and low beam. Whereas a normal light focuses straight ahead or where the bike is pointed, the adaptive light illuminates dark corners as you turn into them. While doing this, the light provides an incredible light pattern 1,500 feet down the road. Some other things about this light. It's backed by Custom Dynamics' unmatched customer service and lifetime LED warranty. You can get them in chrome or black. This is the chrome version to match the look of this bike. It's manufactured in the USA at the JW Speaker facility in Wisconsin. It's named ProBeam Adaptive 2 because the technology works both for high and low beams. The low beam is 1.9 amps at 13.5 volts and has 850 effective lumens, and the high beam is 2.9 amps at 13.5 volts and has 1150 effective lumens. It has a polycarbonate lens and a die-cast aluminum housing and is DOT and ECA compliant. Included in this package for this model is the H4 wiring adapter. You don't need to purchase this separately. Plus, it's just cool tech. We're going to take off this Custom Dynamics ProBeam headlamp and install the new Adaptive 2 one. This is an outstanding light in itself. To install this adaptive light, all you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. It's truly plug and play and will take you probably about 10 minutes or less to install this. The first step is to take the outer ring off. There's a small screw at the bottom of the ring. Once you've taken the screw out, you want to take the ring off, then you're going to have to take off the 3 screws that hold in the headlamp from the inner ring. Again, if you have a 2013 model and earlier, you'll receive in the box the mounting plate already on the light for easy installation. This model already has it on the bike, so all we're going to do is just switch in the wiring harness. Now, since this bike already had an H4 wiring harness from the original ProBeam headlamp, I just need to unplug the current one, then plug in the new adaptive headlamp to the H4 plug. If you have a stock wiring harness, you will just need to unplug the OEM harness and replace it with the H4 wiring harness. Once you get it plugged in, then put the inner ring on, making sure the headlamp is in place. Tighten the 3 screws, then put the outer ring back on. Now we are ready to take the bike out to see the difference between the two. The links to these ProBeam Adaptive 2 LED headlamps are in the description below, or you can visit CustomDynamics.com. Please visit our Custom Dynamics YouTube page and consider subscribing to get the latest videos from us here at Custom Dynamics. Everything to light up your ride.